Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to disable notifications while playing games. So let's begin. In the settings app and tap on the focus section. Once you do that, if you see the gaming option there on the screen, then simply click on it. Otherwise, click on the plus icon which is on the right top corner. Now click on gaming option and tap on customize focus. Once you do that, you can silence the notifications from both the people and the app. First, let's choose people. Once you do that, you can simply allow the notifications from specific people by clicking on the add icon, or you can simply silence the notifications by choosing it and then adding the people. Now for the game app, simply choose the app section and allow or the silence option, either one you can choose, and then you can click on the add option and select the apps of your preference. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.